Want to create polished slideshows or social clips without touching complex video software? Animoto makes it possible in minutes.
Welcome to Best Reviews.
Hi there and welcome back to Best Reviews. Today we're diving into Animoto, a cloud-based video creation tool that keeps things simple. If you've ever struggled with bloated editors or just wanted to quickly whip up a slideshow or promo clip, this might be exactly what you need. In this video, we'll break down how Animoto works, walk you through the interface, highlight its key features, pricing options, support quality, and what to expect if you give it a try. As always, for a full deep dive on latest updates, be sure to visit our complete written review over on bestreviews.net. Animoto is all about simplicity. The moment you log in, you're greeted with a clean dashboard that brings all your video projects into one spot. From here, you can start a new video in one of three ways. Begin from scratch, use a pre-built template, or build a slideshow. If you're starting fresh, you'll pick a theme, choose your aspect ratio, and upload media from your device or cloud storage. Templates are well organized by category, such as TikToks, real estate reels, or seasonal promos, while the slideshow path is tailored for business, education, and photography. One of the first things you'll notice is how smooth and uncluttered everything feels. Even when adding logos, text, or music, it never gets overwhelming. You can preview your video at any time, tweak the pacing, and extend photo durations easily. With support for both desktop and iOS, and the ability to create videos up to 50 minutes long, Animoto offers a fast, frustration-free start to video editing. Animoto's strength lies in how streamlined everything is, without sacrificing essential tools. You can trim, resize, rotate, and duplicate clips, apply filters, and change backgrounds. Swapping between square, landscape, or vertical formats is seamless. Edits stay intact, and previews help you visualize changes before committing. The slideshow editor stands out as one of its best features. It lets you extend photos, add branded elements, and adjust transitions mid-project. Another standout, the AI script generator. You tell it what kind of video you're making, add a short description, and it spits out a full script. This is perfect for creators stuck at square one. It's currently Chrome only, but super helpful for planning content. You can also create brand kits for client consistency, upload from cloud storage, or use your phone to send files directly with a QR scan. While audio uploads must come from your computer, there's a built-in library with over 3,000 licensed songs. Animoto even lets you record directly from your webcam or screen up to 30 minutes and share your final video through email and social links. You can also send private invites for team feedback. The biggest limitation, no Android app, and their two iOS apps aren't cross-compatible. Each handles different tasks and neither syncs with the desktop version. Still, for creators focused on video, Animoto delivers a clean experience that's ideal for social clips and professional slideshows. Animoto's pricing structure starts off accessible, especially for basic editing. There's a free version that lets you explore most features, though it does come with watermarks and limited download options. Paid plans unlock higher quality exports, more storage, and pro features like voiceovers and brand customization. While it's competitively priced at the entry level, the higher tier plans do lean more premium compared to similar tools. Even so, all paid tiers are available at a 50% discount if you choose annual billing, and you can schedule a demo call to see if it fits your needs. Check out our written review at bestreviews.net for the latest offers and plan breakdowns. Animoto keeps support straightforward. For direct help, live chat and email are available. The live chat is available from 11 AM to 5 PM Eastern Time, 7 days a week. When we tested, the response time was solid. We heard back via email within an hour. And from what users say, that level of service is pretty consistent. There's even a bit of a fan base for Animoto's support team over on Trustpilot. So, is Animoto worth it? If you're a solo creator or social media marketer looking for an intuitive video editor with just enough flexibility to make your content stand out, Animoto checks a lot of boxes. It's easy to use, has powerful template support, and its AI script generator is a surprisingly helpful touch. Still, if you need deep customization or you're an Android user, it might be too limited for you. Higher tier plans can also get pricey, and juggling multiple mobile apps isn't ideal. But for quick stylish video creation on desktop or iOS, Animoto is a good choice. Animoto is best for casual to mid-tier content creators who want professional-looking videos with minimal effort. For more details and the latest offers, head to our full review at bestreviews.net. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!